In the heart of night, Luna's small cottage glows warmly, a beacon against the menacing shadows of the garden. Luna peers anxiously from the window, her small frame silhouetted against the gentle light. The garden's shadows dance like specters, each rustle of leaves a chilling whisper against the glass. Her voice trembles, a soft plea against the encroaching darkness. I hate the dark. In the soft glow of a bedside lamp, Luna clutches her worn teddy bear, its fur bearing witness to countless nights of comfort. Ilara enters the room, her presence a gentle whisper in the quiet space. Ilara sits on the edge of Luna's bed, her eyes reflecting the soft light. Ilara gestures towards the window, where the stars twinkle against the dark sky as she says, "Even in the darkest night, the stars always shine." Bathed in the soft glow of daylight, Luna sits at her desk, a haven of creativity amidst her nighttime anxieties. Her brow furrows with intense focus as she sketches in her notebook, each stroke bringing fantastical creatures to life. Stars, moons, and whimsical beings leap from the pages, a testament to her boundless imagination. Lost in her art, Luna finds solace and escape, a world away from the fears that haunt her dreams. Bathed in the moon's gentle light, Luna steps into the meadow, her figure a dark contrast against the silver. Fireflies awaken around her, their lights like stars scattered by the night, weaving magic into the air. She wanders deeper, drawn by the soft glow, unaware of the ancient secrets hidden beneath the old oak. Her foot catches on a root, and she stumbles, her eyes widening as she spots something beneath the tree's ancient branches. A hidden loom, glowing with an ethereal light, reveals itself, an artifact of forgotten times. The ancient loom pulses with soft light, beckoning Luna closer to its mysterious threads. Luna carefully carries the loom into her room, its humming filling the space with otherworldly energy. The loom pulses with a soft, internal light, resonating with an energy that feels both ancient and alive. Resting on the loom, a ball of shimmering starlight thread beckons, promising untold possibilities. Drawn in by its allure, Luna approaches, her eyes wide with a mixture of curiosity and wonder. Intrigued, she begins to weave. The air crackles with anticipation as the thread meets the loom. The room transforms, bathed in the radiant glow of the starlight, as Luna weaves her destiny. In the quiet of her bedroom, Luna begins weaving, the starlight thread shimmering faintly between her fingers. Night after night, Luna's dedication deepens, each pass of the thread adding to the blanket's ethereal glow. The starlight thread pulses with increasing intensity, mirroring Luna's growing confidence. A subtle shift occurs within Luna, her eyes reflecting a newfound strength and diminishing fear. Luna completes her weaving, the blanket radiating a warm, comforting light that banishes the shadows. In the quiet of her bedroom, Luna meticulously secures the final knot on the star blanket, a beacon of warmth and comfort. The completed star blanket radiates a soft, enchanting glow, its light painting the room with a tapestry of dancing shadows. She wraps herself in the blanket, the soft fabric, a comforting embrace against her skin. A profound sense of peace descends, and Luna feels a newfound courage surging within, a strength she never knew she possessed. Under the cloak of night, Luna, wrapped in a star blanket, steps into her garden with newfound courage. The shadows dance around her, no longer menacing, but whispering secrets of the night. She discovers the enchanting beauty woven into the darkness, a realm of mystery unveiled before her. A soft whisper escapes her lips, a quiet acknowledgement of her changed perception. It's not so scary after all. Bathed in the ethereal glow of the moon, Luna stands as a beacon of bravery. In the heart of the night, Luna's room trembles as rain assaults the windows and thunder echoes. Amidst the storm's fury, a whimper pierces through the walls from Samuel's room. Clutching her star-patterned blanket, Luna rises, her eyes reflecting a fierce determination. With each clap of thunder, her resolve hardens, a silent promise to brave the storm. Luna moves towards the door, ready to confront whatever awaits beyond. Thunder crashes, and lightning flashes illuminate Samuel's room, casting long, dancing shadows that amplify his terror. Luna gently wraps Samuel in a star blanket, offering a haven from the storm's fury. As the soft fabric envelops him, an ethereal light emanates from the blanket, bathing the room in a calming glow. The gentle light wraps around Samuel, easing his fear and stilling his racing heart. Samuel's breathing slows, his muscles relax, finding solace in Luna's comforting presence. His fear subsides as he snuggles close to Luna, finding comfort in her presence. The village is suddenly consumed by an all-encompassing darkness, cutting off the familiar glow of light. Panic erupts as the villagers are plunged into confusion, their world upended by the sudden blackout. Amidst the chaos, Luna's eyes widen as a spark of inspiration ignites within her. Luna clutches the blanket tightly, understanding dawning as she grasps how it could offer salvation to the frightened villagers. In the heart of the village square, Luna stands as a beacon of hope, the star blanket radiating its soothing light. The blanket's glow washes over the faces of the villagers, each one reflecting renewed hope and a sense of security. The star blanket's ethereal light banishes the darkness, offering reassurance and a sense of unity to the community. Under the blanket's comforting light, the villagers find solace and a shared sense of hope for the future. Under the cloak of night, Luna, a beacon of hope, strides along the dark forest path, her star blanket casting a gentle glow upon the lost travelers. The travelers, a huddled mass of fear and gratitude, follow closely, their eyes reflecting the ethereal light that pierces the shadowy woods. Their voices rise in unison, expressing profound thanks. Thank you for your bravery and kindness. In the heart of the ancient forest, the travelers continue their journey, guided by Luna's light. In the dimly lit room, shadows dance ominously as Agatha lies in bed, her eyes wide with fear. Luna enters, a beacon of gentle light cutting through the darkness, her presence immediately calming. Luna approaches Agatha, her smile a promise of comfort in the face of fear. Agatha's voice trembles as she whispers, "I'm so afraid of dying in the dark." Luna reassures her, "Don't be, Agatha. I'm here," her voice a soothing balm. In the quiet of Luna's garden, villagers gather, their faces illuminated by the soft starlight. Stories and laughter fill the night, as fear gives way to a shared sense of hope and unity. Luna smiles, understanding she has turned her fear into a beacon of light for all. The night air is filled with peace, reflecting a community united under the glow of the stars. In the quiet of her bedroom, Luna seeks solace in the vast starlit sky. A serene calm washes over Luna, fear replaced by a newfound peace. Luna realizes, even in darkness, light exists within. With gentle closure, Luna's eyes find rest, embracing a deep sense of contentment. Tranquility envelops Luna as peace settles over her, a beacon in the night. Luna's face is illuminated by the soft glow of the stars, her expression now one of complete serenity.